Hello students. So students, I will continue with covalent bonding in today's class also. So without wasting time, let us start with the discussion. Now see here, this is a compound C2H4. Okay, it is ethene. Now we will discuss the covalent bonding in ethene. Now you know the carbon atomic number is 6. Its electronic configuration is in K shell there are 2 electrons and in L shell there are 4 electrons. Hydrogen atomic number is 1 and its electronic configuration is in K shell it has 1 electron. Now in carbon in L shell there are 4 electrons, so it needs 4 electrons to complete its octet, and in hydrogen there is 1 electron. In K shell it needs 1 electron to complete its octet. And I told you to remember that always the equal number of electrons are shared. So between carbon and hydrogen always 1 electron is shared because hydrogen has only 1 electron. Now let us see the covalent bonding in this compound. Please see here. Now there are 2 carbon atoms. So these are the 2 carbon atoms. There are 4 hydrogen atoms. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 hydrogen atoms. Now 4 electrons of carbon 1. Let us say this is carbon 1, this is carbon 2. Now this is 1 electron of this carbon. This is another electron of carbon 1 and these are the 2 electrons of carbon 1. The electrons of carbon 1 I have shown with dot, red dot. And the electrons of hydrogen I have shown with blue, that blue cross. So just see once again, carbon 1, this is carbon 1 and these are the 4 electrons of this carbon 1. Now you see carbon 2, in carbon 2 also, this is 1 electron of carbon 2, another electron, and these are the 2 electrons of carbon 2. Why 4 electrons I have written? Because there are 4 valence electrons. Okay, is it clear? Now you take the case of hydrogen. This is hydrogen. This is 1 electron of this hydrogen. Hydrogen 1 electron. Here also this hydrogen, this is 1 electron and this is 1 electron of this hydrogen. Now what will happen? This hydrogen will share this electron with this carbon. This hydrogen will also share this electron with this carbon. So in total, if we see now how many electrons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But it needs 2 more electrons. So in that case, this carbon 2, it shares its 2 electrons with carbon 1. I hope it is clear. Now let us see here. See here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now let us take the case of hydrogen. Now this hydrogen needs 1 more electron. So this carbon 1 will share this electron with this hydrogen. You can see here. Here also this carbon will share this electron with this hydrogen. Students, it needs lot of practice. Okay, here I am unable to draw the circle nicely. Okay, it needs lot of practice. Now if you take carbon 1, then in carbon 1, if you take this circle. So here how many electrons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you take this hydrogen, in this hydrogen there are 2 electrons. You take this hydrogen. In this hydrogen also there are 2 electrons. So in carbon 1 has 8 electrons. Okay, now let us take the case of carbon 2. Even in carbon 2 also, this hydrogen will share this electron with this carbon. This hydrogen will share this electron with this carbon. And these 2 electrons of carbon 1 will be shared with carbon 2. The circle is not round, students, but you please make it round. Now you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this carbon is having, now second carbon is also having 8 electrons. Now same way this hydrogen also, carbon 2 will share this electron with this carbon, hydrogen. So this hydrogen will have 2 electrons. This carbon will share this electron with this hydrogen. So it will also have. Is it clear? Students, I made one mistake. Like here I have used a blue pen and here I have used red pen. So please don't confuse. Okay. So I hope it is clear to everyone now. Now what this is called electron dot structure. Now please see here, this carbon and this carbon, okay, these two carbons, they have shared 2 electrons. How many? 1, 2, 1, 2. So when 1 electron is shared, there is a single bond. When 2 are shared, there is a double bond. Now this carbon and this hydrogen are shared 1 electron. 1 electron. Here this second carbon and hydrogen has also shared 1 electron, and this carbon and this hydrogen has also shared 1 electron. So here carbon carbon there are double bonds, and here carbon hydrogen there is always a single bond in carbon and hydrogen. I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay, just remember one more thing, that carbon carbon bond will be in the middle. Okay, double bond, triple bond, that will be here. Carbon carbon bond, whether it is a single bond, double bond or triple bond, it will always be in the center. Now I will try to solve the homework question which I gave you in the previous class. The question was, draw the or show the covalent bonding in CH4 or CCl4. So I will show you the covalent bonding in CH4. Okay, and I have seen the assignments. Most of the students have made one common mistake, which I will tell you how to do. Okay, how to correct it. Okay, now see here, you all know that atomic number of carbon is 6 and the electronic configuration is 2 and 4, and of hydrogen atomic number is 1 and the electronic configuration is 1 in Cation. And in CH4, here the compound is CH4. So there is 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen. Okay, see here, this is 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen. Now we will draw the electrons of carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now these are the 4 valence electrons. We will draw the electrons of hydrogen also. This is 1 electron, this is another electron, this is this, and this is this electron of hydrogen. Okay, so it is very easy, students. All the hydrogen will share their electron with carbon. This hydrogen will share its electron with this carbon. This hydrogen will share its electron with this carbon. This will also share with this carbon, and this will also share with this carbon. So what we will get? So this carbon is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons. Now I have seen in most of the assignments, the students have not circled all the shared electrons. The students have circled only the electrons of 4 electrons of carbon. Students, these hydrogen, all the 4 hydrogen are sharing their electrons with this carbon. So you have to bring these electrons also in the vicinity of this carbon. Okay. Now you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this carbon will share all the 4 electrons with these 4 hydrogen. So this is the electron dot. Now you can see this hydrogen is also having 2. This is also having 2. How you will see? See, if you take this hydrogen, see, these 2 electrons are coming. If you take this hydrogen, 2 electrons are coming. 2 electrons are coming. Here also 2 electrons are coming. If you take carbon, this area, in this area, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons are coming. This is called as the electron dot structure. If I ask you to write the structural formula is this. This is carbon. Carbon, hydrogen, 1 electron is shared. So single bond. Here also, here also, here also. Okay. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now, I will give you one homework question. Draw the structure of, this is a homework question. Draw the structure of or show the covalent bonding in C2H2. This is your homework. Show the covalent bonding in C2H2. If you can do and complete now as a classwork, you can show me now also, and otherwise you can show in the homework, in the clarification round. But students, be sincere. Try to do it on your own. By looking in the net and doing, I think you will not gain anything. So try, and this needs lot of practice. If you have any doubt, you can clear your doubt during clarification round. Thank you, students.